Turning now to a News 12 exclusive tonight, a disabled Hudson Valley father says he's being denied ADA accommodations in Westchester County Family Court. He also says he's being discriminated against for not being able to hear and understand proceedings. Blaze Gomez brings us that story.
It's been horrible. Family court is already unfair, but if you're disabled, you have no chance.
49-year-old Marc Fishman has been fighting in Westchester County Family Court since 2012, but not just for the right to see his kids.
I suffer from traumatic brain injury, tinnitus. My disabilities affect short-term memory, registration, hearing, as well as processing and recalling information.
Fishman gave News 12 these records of his disability that he says he provided the court. The Scarsdale father of four says his repeated requests under the Americans with Disabilities Act for real-time transcripts to understand what's being said, a tape recorder or a note taker have been denied.
They've also used my disability against me to mock me for not remembering court orders or directives to the judge. Many times they refuse to give a written order in large print, and they've said things verbally and then expected me to remember after a 4, 5, 6 hour hearing.
Fishman has personally filed several appeals against the state and Westchester County. In 2021, a federal ruling granted him special accommodations in court, but the state denied his discrimination claims, saying Fishman failed to prove he's disabled and has already allowed an ADA advocate during proceedings. His attorney, who is wheelchair-bound, says he took on Fishman's case and has filed his own lawsuit after experiencing similar discrimination while working in the New York State court system.
The technology is there, the resources are there. There just is a very serious lack of training and I would say a lack of care towards persons with disabilities, which it needs to change.
A spokesman for the Office of Court Administration cited the lower court's denial in Fishman's discrimination case in their comments to News 12 and said Fishman's federal ruling granting him ADA accommodations only applies to federal, not state courts.
It's very disappointing that they won't do anything or reassess their position.
And so the fight continues. Blaze Gomez, News 12.
And if you or someone you know has a similar family court story to share, contact News 12's Blaze Gomez on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter.